Volkswagen Touran rear sliding door opening. The plastic shield removal when your doors is closed and you cannot open it. You need to screw one screw in here with Torx. Try to show you. There is one Torx. You see a little bit. There's one Torx, and all around there's only clips. You need to take from inside really strong. Also you need to take off this plastic shield, and you need to take out this button holder. There is 3 bolts inside with Torx also, and then you can remove it. When you remove it, where's the problem? The problem is this motor is stopped working, and you need to unscrew it around to get off the cable who came inside from this side. There's the cable. You need to hold the cable and hold the open holder, and then push the doors, and then you can open it. And also, before you open it, there is the fuse one located in this here left side, 40 amps. Check it if it works correctly. And yeah, this is the headache story, because the cable around here is broken and the motor is stopped working, and it's no possibility to open it.